Welcome back, Navi.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, now let me share my screen again, Navi, and let us proceed to another one. Okay, so we are already in this picture. Can you encircle the differences you can see?
Why it's many alien here?
Now, I don't know, Navi. It's your mom who sent it to me. Okay, just focus, Navi.
This is a picture.
The first picture. Mm-hmm. Okay, in the first picture, Navi.
I need to circle first.
Yeah. Okay. What else? It's easy, right? What do you think?
Finish picture.
Okay, now can you talk for the first difference? Navi.
First different. I can see a boy. He is eating hamburger in the picture one, but in picture two, he is eating chips.
French
Fries.
fries. Okay.
Next one, I can see an alien. He is wearing with, with three legs, but
Not he is
but
wearing
in
three legs, Navi. It's not he is wearing three legs. He has three legs.
he has three legs. But in picture two, he is having,
He
he is have,
has. He
he
has.
has
He has what, Navi? What does he have?
four, four,
Four eyes?
four legs.
Okay. What else?
Next one, I can see bird, but but the next picture is a fox.
Okay, yes, very good.
The last one, I can see the coat. It's red in picture one, but in picture two, it's yellow. And the last one is the sun in the picture two, but it's a car in picture one.
Okay, so basically, you don't say it's a sun in picture two, it's a cloud in picture one, Navi. You can say it's cloudy day in picture one, Navi, but in the second picture, it's a sunny day. Okay, so that is it, Navi. And don't keep on saying the last is because you said the last is the coat, and then you again said the last is the sun. Okay, you only say the last one or finally, Navi, if you are talking about the last. Okay, the last. No more, no other things next to it. Okay, now let us have this one.
Why she have why she have some some of the water like that?
She took a bath, Navi.
No, I think she doing many work and she have.
Yeah, it could be, but why is she putting a towel on his head? Okay, he finished taking a bath. Okay, he took a bath, Nabi. Okay, so can you encircle the differences you can see now? Start now, Navi. Navi,
Yes,
start now. Start by saying in the first picture there is, but in the second picture, start now, Navi.
Uh,
Start now.
I can see a girl. She is taking a coat to dry her hair. But in picture one, she is a pink towel. But in the
She's a
mirror
pink
picture,
towel.
yes,
She is using a pink towel. Don't talk
she
about
is
the
yes.
second picture, Navi. Talk about the first picture first.
And there, first picture, she is wearing socks. And and there's a computer on the bed. And also, the goldfish is in just one goldfish in one, but in picture two, there are two goldfish. Teacher, what this cat can see
What?
and looking. It is on the wall, but what it can see.
Why are you talking about the cat? I thought you don't want to talk about cats because you like dogs.
I mean, why the cat can look down the girl.
It's just a picture, Navi. It's
But
just
it
a picture.
smiles and look at the girl.
Yeah. Yeah, what about the girl? Look at Navi. Okay, now, Navi, always bear in mind not to talk about everything that you can see here, Navi. Don't say that in the first picture she is using a pink towel, she is wearing socks, the laptop is on the bed. Don't say those, Navi. Instead, you will tell me one by one, Navi, the difference that you can see. In the first picture, she is using a pink towel, but in the second picture, she's using a blue towel to dry her hair. In the second picture, she's wearing socks, but in the second picture, she isn't wearing any socks. In the first picture, the laptop is on the bed, but in the second picture, the laptop is under the bed. In the first picture, there is one goldfish, but in the second picture, there are two goldfish. Okay? That is how you say the differences, Navi. Don't talk about the second picture and then go back to first picture or tell me the differences. Everything that you can see in picture one before going to picture two. Okay? Please be mindful of that, Navi. Now, let us proceed to the next one. This one.
Teacher, what does he have? He has a earache or a stomach ache.
Okay, I believe he has an earache, Navi. An earache.
Why?
Because he's touching his ears. Start now, Navi.
I think he have a stomach ache.
Yeah, in the second picture, he has.
No, uh, a earache.
Yes, he has an earache, Navi. Start now, Navi.
I can see a doctor. He is standing in picture one, but in picture two is he sitting. Next one is the boy. He is touching his ears because he's had an earache. But in picture two, she he
He,
but in picture two is is
he
touching
has.
his tummy because he have a stomach ache. and 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 the and oh, I say about the doctor already.
Yes.
And next one, I can see two picture in picture one, but in that picture two, I can see three pictures. And there is a lamp. It's not on the bookcase, but in the picture one, the lamp is on the bookcase. There is a computer on the picture one, but in picture two, it isn't have.
Okay, there isn't.
There isn't.
There is a. So there is no computer in the second picture, right? What does it have then, Avi? In the first picture, there is a computer,
What's
but in the second picture, there is a.
telephone?
Okay, there is a telephone on the desk. Okay, yes, that is right, Navi. See, it's just easy, Navi. It's just easy. You just really have to carefully choose your words, Navi, so you will not confuse the person who is listening to you. Next one. Mhm. As you can see, we have a lot of differences here, more than 5 differences.
Teacher,
Do you want me
but
to zoom it
I
in?
can see see that there is a small house, but the people are big.
What?
I see the house is small, but the people are big.
No, you can say that, Navi, because they are in front of the house. Okay, they are
But
in front of the
this
house.
people, it's far, but why it's very big?
See, look at it, Navi. Look at the people behind the house. They are smaller. It's normal for them to look big, Navi, because they are in front of the camera. They're in front of the house. Okay, that is an illusion, Navi. Now, continue.
Um,
Tell
let
me
me
the
see the
differences you
difference.
can see. Encircle the differences you can see, Navi. Remember, we have more than 5 differences here. Are you tired? Tired swimming?
No, I want to this one.
Focus now, Navi.
I want this one. Look at this.
No, you have to use your pen and encircle it. Or if not, then you can speak out directly. I will encircle it for you.
I want this one.
Yeah, you can use that one.
I
You
want
can use
this
that.
one.
Yeah. Anything you like, Navi.
I like this one.
You like to sleep? Don't worry, we're almost done. We only have 6 minutes.
But I need to. When I finish you, I need to go study more.
We only have 7 minutes left, Navi. Yes, after
I
your
mean, I
class,
mean, to finish your class, I need to study more.
Oh, what subject will you study? You can tell your mom, Mom, can I relax a bit? I am really sleepy.
But 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 the subject is math.
Yeah, you can take a nap, Navi. After, oh, you will be eating your dinner, your lunch first, right?
No.
Lunch and then sleep. No, you will not eat lunch?
I mean, I need to wait my dad come home.
Okay, is your
My
dad
dad come in
working?
12.
Oh, okay, Navi. Next week, Navi, we don't have a class because it's holiday. From
Holiday? What holiday?
Independence Day, Navi. Vietnam
Attendance.
Independence Day. Wait, let me translate that. Vietnam Independence Day.
Ngày Quốc
Oh,
khánh
that
Việt Nam.
Yes, that's why we don't have a class for 5 days. So I'll see you again next.
one month. One week.
No, not 1 week. 5 days, Navi, from Saturday to Wednesday. But your classes are scheduled from Sunday to Wednesday, right? So I'll see you again next week.
Okay.
Okay, so now let us have it, Navi. 5 minutes left. Okay, can you encircle the differences?
I see this man like a dangerous man.
No, he's not a dangerous man. Don't say
But look at his
that.
face.
No, he's just happy. Maybe these are his grandkids, Navi. Grandchildren, Navi. That is why he is happy. Don't say that he's a bad person, Navi.
Okay.
Is that Oleg? Are you sure? We have more than that, Navi. We have more than that.
Okay.
Okay, so can you tell me the differences you can see first in the first picture, the one that I've encircled? Navi,
No, I'm
the one I've encircled, Navi. Talk about it. Navi. Navi. What are you putting in your mouth, Navi? Is that a food? A food? Okay, okay. Yeah, you can eat. That's fine. Okay, can you talk about the first picture first pictures I've encircled, Navi? Navi, focus. In the first picture, there is an I can't hear
There's a
you, Navi.
plane in picture 1, but in picture 2 is a helicopter.
Okay, but in picture 2 or in the second picture, Navi, there is a helicopter. Okay, in the first picture,
In the next picture. Em không có trà sữa đâu.
in the first picture, the people what?
The people are happy. The people are in picture 1. The people are standing up, but in picture in picture
The
2,
second picture,
the
the
second
second picture,
they're side down.
skiing, Navi, skiing down, skiing up, skiing down, skiing.
Oh, I can see
Okay,
this different too.
which one? Yeah, because actually, Navi, you weren't able to encircle all the differences here. Okay. Now, in the first picture, Navi.
Let me do something here. Like this. This. Go here. Go here. Go here. Go here. Go here. Okay.
Okay. Continue now, Navi. I think we have to answer this one again next meeting, Navi, because it's almost time. Okay, can you at least say the last differences you can see?
It's the door.
Okay, in the first picture, answer in a complete sentence, Navi.
In the first picture, I can see the door is yellow, but in picture 2, it's purple.
Okay, you don't have to say, I can see the door. It's yellow. You can just say, Navi, I can see a yellow door. But in the second picture, I can see a purple door. Okay? And as well, Navi, as you can see, there isn't any balcony here. But in the second picture, there is a balcony.
I like
Okay?
the picture too.
Oh, you like picture too. Me too, Navi. Okay, so now that would be all. So you can relax now.
The house had a balcony.
Goodbye.